Come on. Be gentle. Left is easier at first, but then not later.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a pretty steep hill on the other side.
I'll let you record that.
Oh yeah, it's for my mom. How old is she?
3 months.
That's really small.
What about your dog?
Pretty much 10 months now.
Male, female?
Female. Be nice.
Was she bigger than my dog Katy at 3 months? Or smaller?
I'd say probably about the same size. Because she was definitely smaller when I got her at 2 months. And I think, so based on the 3 months thing, she weighs what, like 22 pounds?
Katy weighs 16, 17.
16, 17. Huh. Because that's what she weighed when I got her.
At 2 months.
But she was smaller.
Oh, okay.
So maybe she was denser.
Katy does have long legs.
Yeah, maybe that's the...
Beautiful dog. What breed is she?
She's a half German Shepherd and a third Border Collie. And
Goodness.
a little bit Shih Tzu. What?
That's a beautiful mix.
Thanks.
Wow.
I'm lucky she's not high energy, though, like those usually are. I mean, she is when she plays. But then she's mellow. She's pretty smart. When she wants to be. Well, the Border Collie intelligence, sometimes they, that kind of intelligence, they like to make up their own rules if you're not strict enough. Because they're used to like making their own decisions out in the field.
Oh, I see. Makes sense.
Australian Shepherds are usually more single-minded or like, I don't know, hard-headed. Do you know what she is?
No, we did order the DNA kit.
Oh, you did? Yeah, it comes back sooner than you think.
Oh, okay.
Which one did you do, the Embark or the other one?
Wisdom panel.
Yeah.
Is that what you used also?
I did both.
Oh, wow, you did both.
Well, I figured that was like a good way to test them against each other, you know?
Yes. How much did they correlate? How well did they correlate?
Well, Wisdom Panel did like 50%, 25%, 25%. So the last 25% was Shih Tzu Lhasa Apso mix. And the other one was like 50.9% and 30.1% and then 19.3% for the last one. So that seems more accurate, like they might maybe round up or round down to make it easier for like regular public or something like that. I'd say pretty much they seem both accurate. The one I did might have had more like